Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into Goat and confirming your contact details so shipments and promos reach you. Once done, set a valid US shipping address and make sure your billing matches. This prevents holds. Next, add a payment method so you can complete checkout quickly. Goat often includes stickers with certain orders. Start searching for items that mention promos or sticker bundles as your first actionable step to trigger inclusion. Once you find listings, read the description carefully because stickers are included only with select promotions or seller bundles. Make sure the seller is verified or the product is from Goat Store to increase reliability. During checkout, check order notes and any applied promo codes. If a sticker bundle is available, it will appear in your cart or confirmation. If not shown, message the seller before paying to request inclusion so there's no surprise after shipping. When your package arrives, open it carefully and verify the included promo items immediately. Take clear photos of the box, packing slip, and contents. If stickers are missing, contact Goat support through the app, attach order number and images, and explain what you expected versus what arrived. Make sure to keep packaging and originals until resolved because Goat may ask for additional proof. If you don't hear back in a few days, follow up with the escalation option in the help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.